Alright, hello! Today we're going to be getting started on creating a visual novel from scratch using VB.net. And let me go ahead and open up Visual Studio here. This should be the first of a decently sized series, and I should have key points labeled out in the video description if any of you want to follow along. I'm actually doing this to brush up on my skills, so that it's kind of just a refresher that will lead into more of the live 2D studio assets. So I'm gonna turn down system sounds here because it keeps on not recognizing my mic. But alright, let me go ahead and add a scene here in OBS and we'll get started. Okay, so we're gonna be using Visual Studio, and we're gonna go ahead and open up a new project here. Oh my gosh, give me 1 second. Jeez, it keeps on notifying me that the device, yeah, it's annoying. So because I just want to focus on code, we're actually just going to be using a Windows form. And we're going to go ahead and name this visual novel. I'm going to save this somewhere where it's going to be pretty... Oh, wait, there's already... I think that was a C# project that failed a bit ago. So let's go ahead and create a name for this. We're going to call this Eclipse. That's what our that's what our story is going to be called. And everything looks good. So, I'm also going to be uploading this project on Git for those of you that want to follow. But immediately, we're going to just drag out this form. Just opening it up, using these little things to drag it out and open it. But I actually want to lock my dimensions here. So, I'm going to have minimum size and maximum size set to 1456 by 813. This is just so that it's good no matter what. That should be good on that note. Alright, first thing we're gonna want to do, we're gonna want to create 3 text boxes, or 3 picture boxes. This one's gonna be our character on the right. Or you know what? We're gonna have a bit more fun with this. We're gonna generate all of our own text. So we're gonna call this Eclipse. Okay, wrong one. Eclipse. Can't spell. And we're actually gonna dive straight into the code. So on load, let's go ahead and have a whole new background added. My bad. Alright, so me dot background image equals, and we're gonna go over here, not to references. We're gonna create a new folder. Okay. We're gonna add a reference here. Maybe not. It's been a while since I've messed with this, so give me a second here to look around. Let's try adding a folder here. We're gonna name this assets, and we're gonna add in a new item into here. Maybe. I might be wrong on that. So you know what? I realize what it is and why I messed up so much. We're gonna go and we are gonna add in the picture box. Where is it? I just saw it. There you are. And inside of image, this is actually what we're gonna add. And And we're gonna go down to our pictures, my pictures rather, and we're just gonna find a nice little basic anime picture. Doesn't need to be anything special. Though I'd prefer it if it was something actual. Alright, so we're actually going to use this image. It's just a little basic anime chick. So let me, now that's in the resources tab, we're able to just start importing a lot of images here. So like I said, I got these mostly just from other things. Okay, and that should be good. So, in case you guys don't know what I'm doing, I'm basically just importing a lot of the other images just into the form so that it's there and I can reference it quickly. Alright, so now that these are there, that background image equals my dot resources dot. So now when we start the game, oh wait, I should add a scene for window capture. And I want to capture the entire thing. Yeah, I mean, oh, that's pretty annoying actually. I want to capture the inside and outside of it just so you guys can see the form, but that'll do for, I guess. That'll be good. So we're gonna have that on Windows load, and we're basically gonna start creating a menu. All this is gonna be procedurally generated. So, generated procedurally, our procedures are going to consist of adding in a little text, selectable text down here, and basic other things. So let's go ahead and get started. And dim label as new label. So we're going to go over here and basically create a new well, input the new label. Label dot position. And I believe it's XY. And X equals. So let's 1450 divided real quick. That's gonna be 1775, or 775. I need to set it. Ooh, this is gonna be pretty difficult. Alright, I think we're good. Let's find out. It's an integer. guess there's gonna be a lot of editing in this one. Alright, so from referencing my senpai Google, I found out how to do this. So we're gonna set this so equal to 775 and what was it, 400. We're gonna do label that text equals hello. Oh, fuck. Damn, I wonder where the label is. Okay. This should help. Alright, there we go. I forgot to add the controls. So we're gonna do a math problem with this bitch. So we're gonna do maximum size dot width divided by 2. Wait, forgot parentheses. And now this should be in the center. Alright. Let's see what we did here actually. Wow, it's really wow. Damn. So I don't really want to have it static either. I just want to have it centered. I don't think this is gonna work either. Alright, let's fire here. So we're able to get, how do we get the values that we want actually? So we're actually gonna change this. Maximum size dot width, and we're just gonna set this static to 1 1456. All right, so we're gonna do this divided by 2, 728. So this should you know what? I think I know what I did. Yeah, this should work. Okay. Don't hurts. Alright. We're painfully getting through this. Oh. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now we have our new we have our new label. Okay, so label dot text dot size. How do I change font dot size equals what's our size gonna be? That was weird. We're compiling it to Senpai Google again. Alright, so new dot font dot size. God damn it. Don't tell me how to do this. And share it. And like the whole thing. Wow. enough size. Alright, so let's go to like 50. Actually, what the actual fuck? Oh, I put sheriff. Serif. Alright, nope. God damn it. Yeah, let's go to fonts and see what fonts we have. Microsoft. This is painful, but this is all learning because we will never have to go back and do this again. We just need to find one good font. Oh, that's why. Label dot size equals size. So we'll go like, I don't know, 100 by 50. Is that good? Nope. Of course not. Cannot be new size. Okay. 7. Okay, we'll go to 500 then. On the width. What the fuck? No. 500 and 100. 728. Awesome. So, now that we're getting this hard crap out of the way, let's go ahead and change the text back to something normal. Clips. Alright. Hey, and we got our procedurally generated text. It's 2.5. Fuck. Gotta count in. Alright. So we're gonna go with 2.4 on the width. And we're actually gonna do 2.9 up here. That should even it out a bit. Okay. So now we have our little text. We're gonna do our color to white. Clips. So yeah. Game title. So now I'm gonna have to go game title. Game title. Holy god. Game title. Alright. So this is before having any checks. So we're gonna go ahead and basically just make this as clean as possible. Ugh. It's just gonna be tired coding. That's what this series might be named. Because my brain's dead. Okay, so now that we have this, let's go ahead and create another label, copying much of the same code as we did earlier. Now this is start game. That's all, yeah. By the way, we're gonna have this all in one form. So we're gonna make this 35. And we're gonna actually drop this down to 2.9. Since it's smaller, we need to make this 2.5 again. Fuck. This is still too large. 25. fuck, nope. Wrong direction. 2.2. Alright, so Mike just disconnected there a bit, so let me go ahead and okay, so then we're gonna have this say start game. Start novel. This is so bad. But you know what? We might just learn something. Alright, start now. Alright. So, this is gonna be private sub. So, we're gonna have a private sub called, label, start game. We don't actually need any of that crap. We're just gonna have a message box for right now. Hello. So we're gonna do start game.click. Actually, do not like this song right now. There we go. I prefer EDM sound eater. So, let me find out something. Alright. Start game.click. So this is gonna be tricky real quick. This is probably gonna be like the hardest part of all of this is finding out how to make this link when generated clickable. Huh, okay. So let's go ahead and add handler and go. This is hilarious, my bad. I'm learning a lot right now. Start game.click, comma address of start game. Games start click. Wow. Games start click. Wow, that is actually really awesome. I've never known this. So we're gonna fix it. Alright, let's go ahead and try this out. Boom. Wow, that is really awesome actually. Okay, so now that we have this, we can actually have our game begin. Or what does it know that it's already actually begun. So let's go ahead and get some preloaded images already in. Okay. So, I'm just going through my folders right now looking for my actual backgrounds and stuff. Alright, so we're gonna go on the one on the internet, download one. Schoolyard. Anime Schoolyard. Okay, so let's go ahead, add existing item. We're gonna go over to our downloads because it just kind of forced itself in my downloads. Hey, where did it download to? Oh, it actually downloaded to my C drive. Nope. We're looking for all of that. Okay, so now that we have this, we're gonna go me dot background image equals empty dot schoolyard. Oh, damn it! My resources dot empty. The fuck? What the fuck? Okay. You know what? I know exactly what to do with this. We're gonna go to add resource. No. Add existing file. That's where we're gonna go in from. Yes, we're replacing this shit. Now that's officially in here. We'll go to empty schoolyard. Starting novel. Hey, alright. So we're gonna go to me dot background image dot what is it? Dot dang. Background image layout. Me dot layout. Background image layout equals stretch. That should be good for that. So now we're just gonna start beginning to write our code. So immediately we're gonna dismantle these two controls. Game title. Wow. Oh, that's because this was a public. Game title. Damn. Wow, I'm at a loss now. Give me 1 second. Alright, we'll do public shared. Shared. Damn, is not variable on a local variable. Alright, we'll try this. We'll put this out here. And now we'll do game type. Alright. Oh, I put it in the wrong place. Alright. Game title dot remove dot exit. What is dispose will do its job. Yeah, dispose deletes it, so start. We don't want it lingering around. Start game. We're gonna end up moving this to to its own file, guaranteed. We're just gonna call on this for public information. .dispose. Alright, so that's looking pretty good right now. So let's go ahead and run it. Boom. Little flash of color. So now we're gonna draw up a text box from here to here. You know what? Timer event 1 as new timer. So we're going to create a new timer, and we're going to have it to where it says timer event 1 dot interval equals 8,000. And now using the handler method, event.tick, and we're gonna have a draw character. So let's go ahead and add another class, private sub draw character, and that's going to be its own thing. So we're actually going to want to create a class here. So okay. No, we're going to want this to be public as well. So let's go ahead and start creating our classes. We're gonna import these. Shit. Oh, there we go. Imports visual novel dot class 1. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna go over to class 1, and we're gonna go into images. Draws right image. And we're gonna have public. We're gonna do a dim. What are we gonna name this? Character right as new image box. Okay, whatever. We'll shared new picture box. There we go. We'll go back to dim. Okay, and we'll have a character left as well. Okay, and that should be that. Draws left image, and that should be good. So let's go ahead and go back to our. Oh, that must be annoying. Wow. Windows 2 is gone. So we're gonna get rid of that window real quick. So alright, awesome. So now we're gonna draw this. Go over here. Something that I will tell you guys, OBS is like terrible. This shit. Alright, that should be good. I'm not sure how long that was like that, I apologize, but you guys were still able to see the code stuff and whatnot. So now that we have our draw character, we're gonna go to character. What was the name I gave it? Class 1. Character left and character right. Character left. What? Oh shit. Shared. I'm dumb. But we're learning slowly. So character right dot image equals my dot resources. We're just gonna load a random one right here. So on this, now that we have the image loaded, we're gonna change the size actually. Character right dot size equals new size. And I am actually gonna pull out a calculator for this. So I want to get the original images title. I mean size, because I want this to be perfectly divisible. So I'm just gonna grab one of these. Alright. So these are a bit large, so I want to minimize them a bit. So we're gonna divide this by. We're gonna go by 2.2. So we're gonna go to 2.5. So it's gonna be 304. right. And this should be good for this. Oh, wrong one. Yes, that is actually exactly what I wanted. Okay, Google. Alright, and let's see, we're gonna want its location. Character right dot location equals new what was it? New point. We're gonna want this to be all the way to the right side. So what's the right side? Minus 304. So that's gonna be like, so we're gonna put it at 1100. And we want it to be what's its y? I guess we'll set the y as something modest. 200. So let's go ahead and draw this. me.controls.add character right. Oh wait, we still don't have a start for this. me.controls.add timer event 1. Oh, I guess it's already started. Timer event 1 dot start. And that should be good. So let's go ahead and start it up. So after waiting 800 milliseconds, this should show up. Bam. Oh, my bad. We still need to add just this character right dot image layout. What is it? Size mode equals stretch image. And we also want to get rid of that background. Character right dot background back color equals transparent. So let's go ahead. Boom. Oh, look, there's our little character. So I guess this is gonna be the introduction inside of our program here. So just thinking real quick, because I kind of want to make this sub into its own method. This whole drawing character. So all I have to do is yeah, I'm gonna do that. I want to make this to its own method here. So we're gonna go into this. We're gonna add a module. We're gonna draw characters. And we're gonna go over here. Public. Imports visual novel dot class 1. What is it? Clips dot controls the odd character right. String. Bitmap, actually. We're gonna have this on X. And we're gonna actually have Y as Boolean. And that's just so that we can flip the image if need be. If Y equals true, then character right dot is, shit. Alright, dot image dot rotate flip. No, it's not equals. Dang. Rotate flip. We want to do it over X. But by default, we're just gonna have a blank else. So so now if we go down here, we're gonna still have draw character. Oh shit, my bad. It's visual novel dot draw characters. Draw characters dot draw character. Oh, and then I need to have this. So we're gonna go to my dot resources dot this comma false. Okay. Oh my god. Operator must be the name of a method. Oh fuck, I'm dumb, man. I'm dumb. Private sub first event. We're gonna just name this really basic shit. And we're gonna put this in here. First event. So, let's go ahead and try it. There she is. And if we were to go over here and put true. Flip it along the right there. Whoops. There we go. So let's go ahead and try this. Boom. There we go. So first she's left, then she's right. So we're gonna put this into false. Alright, so now that we have our little first event going on, we're gonna want more. We're gonna want to add in a dialogue. So let's go ahead and add in the dialogue box. We're gonna create we're gonna create a module called dialogue. Pretty sure that's how you spell it. Let me look it up. Nope. Alright, we're gonna name it this correctly. And yeah, that should be good. So we're gonna go back up to this. We're gonna actually copy the draw character one. Public sub. Create dialogue. Dialogue. And we're gonna import this shit again. Imports, no, visual novel dot class one. Class one is basically just going to be our definition. Dialogue, public, shared, dialogue box as new picture box. Bam. So, actually, do I want it? Yeah, I want it as a picture box. Yeah, I think it'll look better. So, let's go ahead and figure out the dimensions that we want this shit. That we want our dimension box to be. We're gonna go to, dialogue box, and we're not gonna have X as bitmap. And we're gonna have this. I actually need to add it. So give me a moment to add an existing file here. Pictures, or it's not pictures, it's alright, there we go. We have our own little created dialogue box. It's my.resources.dialogue. And why is Boolean? We're actually I'm gonna show you. I want to show you here in a bit. So I want the height to be, we're gonna go with 300, and I want this to be 600. And we're gonna set its point. We want this pretty low. So I'm gonna do this. At like let me think, maybe 200, and then over here we're gonna have it's all at 1,200, and then we're gonna ignore this for right now. And that should be, well, we're gonna ignore that, but create dialogue. That should be what we want. Create. Oh, still have to add it in. Imports dot visual novel dot draw characters. No, wait, wrong one. Dot dialogue. Dot dialogue. Dot create dialogue. False. Okay. So let's go ahead and create this dialogue here. Dialogue is MIA. So let's figure out where we fucked up. Maybe I got these wrong. Nope. So we're gonna set this at 1 and 1 just to make sure that's not us fucking up here. Yeah. Oh wait, no, there it is. So it's showing up. All right. I just need to reevaluate my life real quick. All right. So it's a bit too large there. Yeah, that's actually pretty nice. So we're gonna drop this down to 800, and I want it to be at the bottom. So I want this to be down like 500. So let's go ahead and try that. We're gonna do this manually. Alright, that's perfect. Now we're gonna drop this down to like 500 as well. I want this actually over this. Something tells me. Alright, so it looks like we're actually going to be fucking with parents here. Fuck. Alright, so actually we should be good. Here, no, wait, no, we aren't. So we're gonna go to draw characters. There we go. Character right. So let me move that. And also, we're gonna stop the timer here. Timer. We're just gonna have, you know what? I'm just gonna make that one timer and put it in class. Event timer 1. And we're gonna create that. That should be good enough for us. public shared. Ref event timer 1 dot stop. That should stop that annoying refresh issue we had. Boom. So we're gonna have dialog box dot bring to front. It's still getting knocked out by this one. Let's try moving this here. Curious why it's not drawing on top of it. There it is. This has to be drawn first. Alright, that's something else I'll figure out. But now we're gonna start putting text inside this shit. So for the text, there's a few ways that we can go about rendering this correctly. And I'm just gonna think of a few right now. Exactly how I want to render our text here. I'm thinking we're gonna probably have our own class where we could just put our own definitions and have our own conversation logs. So we're gonna go ahead and over here and we're gonna create another class. And we're gonna have this one chat dialog. So this is tricky because I'm trying to think of a way where we could just pull random text. You know what? I guess that's best. Beginning conversation. All right. Well, we're gonna name our character Miska as new label. Yeah. Oh fuck, what I do wrong? File public shared. Damn, I'm tired. Alright, whatever. Shared. New label. So we're gonna have characters. Where I change that? Alright. Add new item. We're gonna name this character dialogue. Miska. Fuck. This is actually pretty annoying. It's visual, not audible. We're gonna go to dialogue. No, not dialogue. characters. Miska. Alright. Miska. Alright. So public sub Miska says wise integer. Alright. Case select. Oh my god. Damn, I forgot. Let me look up how to do a VB.NET case select. Case select. Select case. Alright, so that should be good for that. Oh god, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, so let's go back to our form. And we're gonna import visual novel data. We're gonna go to characters. And then we're gonna go to imports visual novel data characters dialog. Okay, so let's go over here. We're gonna want to draw that label again. So I'm actually gonna nestle that right here. Public sub dialog text. And we don't need anything special here because we already have the other one. Ooh, shit, actually. Let me go over here. And we're gonna go back over here. We're gonna put these two next to each other. So we're actually going to do a double into this. And I'll show you what I mean by that into a second, here in a second. So we're going to go over here. We're going to shove this in here. But we're going to name, class public shared dialog tech as new label. Dialog text. No, damn it. Right. Dialog text. There we go. Clips that controls that ad. And we're going to actually put our point as something simple. So we're going to actually do 1-1 just to make sure that this is writing out correctly. YS string or Y is integer. Fuck. Let me think in my head real quick. We're gonna go this is called dialog. So we want to reference this. We definitely want Miska says here. So character dialog imports visual novel dot character. So I'm drawing a map on my brain, and this is jacking my head up right now. So in fact, be right back. Let me get some Gatorade for myself. All right. So by the way, the reason I'm playing so much Japanese music in this is so that my stream doesn't get copyrighted, infringement or anything. So let's think how we're going to do this. All right. We want to call the dialogue up. And once we have the dialogue, we want to get the text. The text is gotten through a case select scenario. So we're actually going to bring it up through here. We're going to actually translate this text into here. So we're going to go into character dialogue dot. Is this character dialogue? No. Character dialogue is over here. Dot. So let me try this. Miska says awesome. Okay, so we're gonna have Y here. non-shared, shared. Oh fuck. Maybe I can't do that inside of a class. Maybe it has to be a method. So let me go into module. We're gonna go into character says. Go up here, delete this. Oh, we gotta import some shit. Imports visual novel dot, and we're gonna go into characters. That should be beautiful. Character says. How the fuck is this using character says without me importing it? Alright. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna actually have this. Dot to text. I want to return this back. So let's go ahead, go back to Sim by Google. Okay, so we'll try this function. Okay. So let's let's go back over to dialogue. So Miska says y carries over here to y. Let's say y equals 1. Okay, so now let's call it forward in our form here. Let's pray this works. What do we even want to fucking call? We want to call dialogue. I think dialogue's already imported though. This form. Yeah. So we're gonna go over to we can delete the character dialogue. Delete. Alright. So let's go ahead and do dialogue. Dialogue. Dot dialogue. Okay, let's see if this works. Ooh, big no-no. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we gotta fucking figure out how to, I wanna make this the last point of this video. And after this, I'm gonna go off and, head off to bed. Create another one tomorrow. So, for now, let's try to figure out why this isn't transferring correctly. So let's just go ahead and put this in here. Hi. Okay, so this isn't being generated at all. Close that controls the add. There it is. Okay, so let's go back. And we're gonna go over here. So let's go over. So it's returning null. So let's find out what the fuck's happening. Oh fuck, okay. Case x equals 1, y equals 1, y equals 2. Damn, okay, that was pretty difficult, but it looks like we solved it. Okay, 1 comma 1. Okay, so we no longer need this. Then y as integer. I have this as y. So now, here, dialog 1. Alright, team. We have achieved liftoff. So now that we have our text, we have our pretty much our core game, our core novel. I keep on calling it a game. Core novel written out. So now all that's left is for us to actually change the location of this. So we're gonna copy this down here. Dialog text dot location equals new point. We're gonna go I want to actually drop it a bit, but we'll see if this works. I actually need to change the size, so let me go ahead and grab this up here. I want to make sure that it's at a nice, reasonable size for us. Oh shit. Log text font. Should probably bring the text up. There we go. And we're gonna change the size of it. We have it like a 300 by 600. So we're gonna go 600 to 300 instead. So right now I'm trying to just set this parent here. So I want to bring this to front. I want to bring this, set this to the, I want to bring this to the front of the form. Alright, let's try this. We're gonna draw this first this time. You know what? Damn. Alright, so apparently I need to dynamically create a user control. Okay, so let's try this real quick. Alright, so let's just bring all this back. What the fuck? Why isn't this showing up at all anymore? Jeez, what did I fuck up? Oh, I'm not drawing anymore. What's the name of this shit again? Clips. Okay. Well, we're gonna solve this. Hmm. We're gonna do the point to client method. So we're gonna go over. We're gonna actually fuck things up real quick. Goes picture box. No. Dialog box. Dot point to client. E dot point. Screen. Damn, drawing this text on top of this is hard. Damn, this is, they're making it all look so easy on 9. Oh, there we go. Alright, that's gonna actually help out a lot here. So we're gonna move it 20 pixels over and 20 pixels over. Hello, welcome to my story about VB.net. And that is our basic visual novel right here. So I will be creating a Git for this project, and I hope you enjoyed this 2 hour this 2 hour story about getting started with creating our own basic visual novel.